Life is full of unexpected moments. We can't predict the future, but we can protect the people we love most.
Think of life insurance as a safety net. It's there to catch your family if something ever happens to you.
When you pass away, life insurance provides a cash payout, called a death benefit, to your chosen beneficiaries. This money can replace income, cover daily expenses, or help secure your family's future.
There are two main types: term life, which provides coverage for a set period, and whole life, which lasts your entire lifetime and builds value over time.
Getting started doesn't have to feel overwhelming. At Ashley Insurance Agency, we'll help you figure out what's best for you and your family step by step.
Read our full blog post for more details, and when you're ready, reach out for a friendly, pressure-free conversation. Protecting what matters most starts today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other videos right here or click the link below to read the full blog post we mentioned today. And if you're ready to talk about protecting your family's future, you'll also find a link in the description to schedule a time to chat with us at Ashley Insurance Agency.